Okay, so we've got our items here. Obviously the big focal point is the boot. So we need to get that on there first. So what I wanted to do is place it at an angle but have it propped up a little bit like this. Okay, so to do that, what I have to do is place some skewers behind it. What I want to do is hold it up again and place this behind it. That's going to be too tall. So let me cut a little off. That's going to be good. Okay, so if I have the one there, this is really heavy, even though it's not completely solid, it's pretty full. So I want to put another skewer in there just to support it so the weight is off of the cake. So I just need it slightly higher than the cake down here. Probably could do 2 of those. Okay, let's see if this will rest on here. Okay, good. See, it just takes the weight off of the cake. Okay, our fences. We'll take like put one over here. Oops, I just broke that one. I think I can get away with it. I can cover it with something. The small one here. Okay, and I'll prop something like one down here. And I think that's probably good. Except I hate having 4 of something. Well, I'm going to leave it like that, and then I can always add it later if I want to. Okay, so usually there's the red bandanas. I like to just take some little squares, and this is going to help bring some color to the sides. So I'll just pop a couple on the sides here. Oops. And 2 here. So we'll put 2 on each side. So then we just want to do a little design on it. This is just white buttercream. There's no tip in it. So it just looks like one of those little scarves.